Mockups are genuinely the bane of my existence, and henceforth, I wanted to make a YouTube video. If you are experiencing the same bane of your existence, I hope this video helps you in creating mockups at a quicker pace and workflow. I wanted to introduce a new software I've been using. It's called Simply Listed, and it streamlines your workflow process. It is just a beautiful software that really helps you quicken your pace on mockup creation. So I highly recommend it. This is essentially a video over mockups, how to quicken your pace and how to create mockups quite seamlessly, quite quickly with this software. If you have any questions, please comment down below. But outside of that, we're going to hop straight into this tutorial and I'm going to give you some pro tips along the way. So one question a lot of people have when they start off is how many colors should you offer? My maximum is honestly 7 colors at most. I recommend having a light color and a dark color in your mockup and color selections, and then a mid-range color or medium toned color, such as something that might be vibrant or colorful of a shade. So an example of that might be light green, as far as the mockups you're going to see in this video. The other thing to note is I want those of you to consider purchasing real life photo mockups over AI created ones. With AI, I think that AI is so good at creating and showcasing mockups that look realistic, but they aren't. Some real life photo mockup shops that I've used in the past, and you'll see in this video, is Watermelon Mockups. They are an incredible real life photo mockup shop that I highly recommend. I know it is an investment for mockups, but man, do they convert. Outside of that, let's get into streamlining our mockup creation. I am going to create a mockup you will see in less than 3 minutes in this tutorial after I set up. So you can create mockups in less than a few minutes time frame, and I would even venture to say you can create like probably 10 different mockups if you already have those product templates created on Printify. I can't recommend this software enough. I'm so excited to show you the full setup tutorial, how to use this mockup software. So we're going to hop straight into it. Alrighty, so we're going to start. You all know I love me some market research. So we are starting, and with the niche that we're going to be going into today, it is St. Patrick's Day. And as I scroll down here, you can already see some trending products. We see the Coquet Bow. We see Lucky. That seems to always be a trend every year on Etsy. Some new listings I'm seeing is the Wee Little Hooligan, which is so cute. So there's so many ways we can go with this. There's just shamrocks on t-shirts and sweatshirts on what I'm seeing on Etsy that is trending. Again, Coquet Bow, that is not a surprise to many of us who have been selling on Etsy, and we've seen this time and time again. What I'm going to do is I am going to create a new project on Etsy, on Kittl, I mean. I'm going to start my artboard size, and what I'm going to do the t-shirt artboard size. I'm going to create from here. What I am going to do, I am just going with Kittl AI. I'm going to do green coquette bow. And I'm really hoping I can get a good image here. Oh my gosh, that is such a cute green bow. This is so cute. So I'm going to AI background remove. I'm going to AI image upscale here. And then what I'm going to do, we're going to get our headline out. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful bow. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm going to put Lucky, and then I am going to we're going to go into the mom niche. I feel like mom niche all the way right now, since Mother's Day is going to be kind of approaching. Just tip for those of you, I'm going to do a transformation. So we're going to do a little arch. I think that would be perfect. So the only problem with this bow that I'm not the biggest fan of is the fact that like it's not as fanned out as I would like. So I want to do kind of like I'm going to have to do 2 design colors. So I'm going to do one this way, and then we are going to do one in white. I feel like that would look really cute, almost like an off-white color. Okay, we are going to download. We are not going to remove background because I'm not subscribed right now on my test account. So it's so funny. I do this on my test accounts, but on my real accounts, I have this this, not like this. Anyways, I'm not making sense because I am struggling. We have 2 minutes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're going to go to Printify. I don't know how I'm going to get this done in 2 minutes. This is insane. So I'm going to do comfort colors. We're going to start designing. We're just going to get right into it, guys. We're getting right into it. So I'm going to add this. What's really nice with Printify is there's a background quick remove. So I'm just going to quick remove since I don't have the pan of Kittl. So I have chosen my colors. I'm going to make a specific design for this one. So I am going to bring over this. Okay, I just want to say this isn't going to be perfect because I am rushing. We can fix it later. I just want to show that I can create this in time. So I'm going to put Lucky Mama gift for Mother's Day, Irish St. Patrick's Day. So I am going to publish this. We have under a minute. Okay. Under a minute. Okay. We could do it, guys. We're going to do it. Okay. We're going to do it because we have Simply Listed. Now, I will say Simply Listed, I didn't connect my store. What am I doing with my life, guys? What am I doing? Okay. We're going to grant access and then we're going to go from there. That connected so quickly though. Okay. It's still not connecting my Etsy account. Oh. Hi, hello. This is future Heather jumping in, and we have paused for a moment because at this stage of the video, I made a critical mistake and I did not complete a listing within 10 minutes due to this. What I did wrong is in the setup of creating my Printify product, the only thing that you're supposed to do is you need to have the product as Swift POD if you set up Simply Listed, which I did, as Swift POD. So I'm going to show you in the new template, we select Printify, right? We go and when you click into any product, if you select Swift POD, like I just did, then when you create, so if you go to catalog, if you go to t-shirts, if you click into any listing, so if you just start designing here, like I did in the tutorial, then that will auto select Printify choice. So if you choose manually, then you can select Swift POD. Now you can do this the other way. And when you select Simply Listed, instead of making the grave mistake I made in this video, what you can do is you can just go down, you can click Printify choice, and then you won't have any problems like I did. Just know that is why I did not complete this in 10 minutes. I wanted to share that mistake because that was just user error. And you will see a portion of this video cut because I messed up so much. And then I found out my problem. Thank you all for your patience with me. And, you know, I keep it transparent on this channel, guys. I just want to say we all have problems, okay? We all have problems. So let's get back to the video. So I'm going to replace this Lucky Mama with the Swift POD because that is why it wasn't syncing on Simply Listed this whole time. I will say we're gonna give myself 3 minutes, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to Simply Listed. We are going to see our products. We're gonna sync these bad boys. Hopefully that will update on Printify. So yes. So now we have the Lucky Mama t-shirt. So we're going to create a mock-up. It's going to pop up in our approval queue in just a few moments here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So I do have to edit the mock-up a little bit because the espresso I set up wrong, but that's okay because we have mostly everything else. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my listing template. We're going to edit this real quick so I can fix this. We're going to redo this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fix the crop on this. So we are going to do the crop reposition. So if we hit reposition and bring it down all the way, it's going to fix that problem. Then I'm going to save this. And then now I am going to go back to that listing template. We're going to do that one more time. We're going to fix that mockup. Yay! It came out so beautiful. Okay, we're publishing to Etsy. We're publishing to Etsy. It's gonna publish to Etsy. We're almost there. Oh my, it's done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this and then we are good. So I'm gonna put St. Paddy's. So I've noticed people spell it both ways. Don't hate me. Gift for her mom, and I'm gonna fill out some tags here. Okay, so we'll put St. Patrick's Day. We are going to do St. Paddy's Mother's Day, Irish gal. We will put in lucky mama, lucky mother, gift for her, trendy green tee. I'll put t-shirt. I'll do comfort colors. I'll do St. Patrick's Ireland tea. Okay. Oh, actually, I'm going to do Ireland. We'll do Ireland Shamrock. Haha. Okay. So I'm going to publish changes. Okay. So guys, we're done. We're done. This is our final look. Literally look at this. So the only thing I wish I did, so I'm just gonna critique myself. I think I am pretty happy. I will say that Simply Listed does take a second to upload all your photos. I'm pretty happy with this. The happiness guarantee, I think I saved this before Simply Listed could even upload it. So that was my mistake for the size chart. So I'm just gonna finish this up the way I would normally finish this up just to show you guys. We're going to add in the happiness guarantee. I'm going to adjust the thumbnail here. So I just want to show how quick it is to create mockups. You don't have to create it this quick. I'm going to save this here and we are going to apply this. I'm going to publish changes. That is it. This is the final listing and how it looks with Simply Listed, using that as our mockup creation tool. I think this design came out so beautiful and I really, really love how this came out. I think this is so cute. This is so adorable. Honestly, this is something that if I were a mom, I would love to have. As you can see, we have all the colors filled in. We have all the sizes here. We have our size chart, happiness guarantee. So this is a complete listing. I think this was really fun for me to do in trying to tell myself to do it in 10 minutes, which didn't work, but we will fix this for later because I learned some things today that I didn't know. So that was it on how to create mock-up images and templatize this process. I hope those of you have so much quicker workflows following this video. Don't forget to get that software down below. Subscribe to the channel, like this video so more people can streamline their workflows as well. Also to note, I do and am running my Bestseller Insider membership. So if you want to join that for monthly masterclasses that are similar to some of the YouTube videos but more in depth, highly recommend joining that and getting also YouTube content early and tutorials early and more in-depth tutorials. I will say you get direct advice from me and also prior top 1% sellers and other sellers who have done multi-six figures or six figures in their businesses who work on my team. Outside of that, I will see you all in the next video here.